a harder move. This is called the tabletop. Now I like to start by learning a tabletop down here first in a move I call the monkey walks. So this hand, which is on your right side, right hand goes down, left hand goes down, left foot comes down, right foot comes down. So what you have to remember is right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. If you are going in a circle, you're doing it right. Now let's do the same thing standing up. We have to practice this first very quickly. Right hand goes down, left foot goes up. Boom! Feels awkward, but we're gonna practice doing that. Then I go right, left, left, and right. Again, right, left, left, right. Right, left, left, right. Right, left, left, right. That's the order for a tabletop. You could go the other way around. Left, right, right, left. Left, right, right, left. If you get confused, go back to your monkey walks, but don't do a cartwheel. It's not a cartwheel, it's a tabletop. Table, be stable. Where do horses live? In a stable. Be stable as a table. Tabletop.